What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, or maybe not the thumbnail, but the actual title, we're going to be going over a new sponsorship deal. So, this deal won't be just for me; it'll be for the Fitted Squad, and it's mostly going to be the Ultimate Homies, but it's not going to be just Ultimate Homies, because I'm pretty cool with a lot of people here. So if you're definitely interested in being included, definitely leave a comment down below, and we'll definitely see what we can do there. But we do have a meet coming up. It's going to be on July 11th. It's going to be at Speed Zone. I need to verify the time frame here for you. Alright, it's going to be an early one, so we're going to be there at 11 a.m. Usually don't do that on Saturdays, but it's going to be a multi-purpose meet. It's going to be not only the sponsorship information and everything, but the homie Franz is getting his new coilover setup done. So that was the original point of this meet, so we're going to be going there for that. We should have food as well, so definitely if you're planning on going, I'll have a link to the Facebook group, so please mark that you're going if you're going. Even if you're interested, please go ahead and put that down there. If you're not on Facebook, feel free to drop a comment about it as well, and we'll go ahead and get you added as well. But yeah, we should have more details, because it's going to be a meet where we're actually going over the details on exactly what's going on. So that'll be the main point there. But yeah, this one, I don't want to do too much for this video. I just kind of want to explain that, because I posted a little teaser on the community page as well as Instagram and Facebook, so I want to make sure I at least did a video, because I know some people only rock with the videos. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Also, shout out to the homie Keon. Let's Talk More Race. I'll go ahead and throw a link to his YouTube as well below, and you can get some merch from him. He has a lot of shirts like this. But yeah, I definitely want to thank you all for kind of rocking with me lately. So I want to see what I can do to kind of help give back. I got a lot of homies here, and this won't only be for the homies in Florida. We can definitely get some that are in different areas, because I have a lot who are up north, Maryland, Jersey, New York area, Philly, all of those. So if you're interested, definitely put a comment down below, as well as do a RSVP for the meet if you are in the area. So I'll definitely appreciate that. Probably gonna be ending this video here pretty soon. Actually, it's a new neighbor. I'm not sure whose it is yet, but it's definitely pretty dope. But the reason probably gonna be ending this really soon. Storm's about to roll on in. But yeah, even if you're not an Ultimate owner, don't be discouraged, because you'll be part of the Fitted Squad. Be part of the Fitted Squad. We'll definitely get you into it as well, because I rock with everybody, different brands as well. Just because I rock mostly with Nissan and Infiniti, that's not a deal breaker if you're not in that squad. I do run the Nissan times Infiniti group pages and everything, but like I said, I appreciate all brands. So if you part of the Fitted Squad and you down, let me know. Alright, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.